Overnight, U.S. stocks closed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 239.25 points from the previous trading day, closing at 47,740.8 points, an increase of 0.5%. The S&P 500 stock index rose 55.97 points, closing at 6,795.99 points, an increase of 0.83%. Nasdaq Composite, the index rose 308.27 points to close at 22,695.95 points, an increase of 1.38%. According to CCTV News, U.S. President Trump said that the U.S. war on Iran may end soon. Large technology stocks rose. ASME and AMD rose by more than 5%. Intel and Broton rose by more than 4%. NVIDIA and Google rose by more than 2%. Storage concept stocks. SanDisk rose by more than 11%. Western Digital rose by more than 6%. And Meiguan Technology rose by more than 5%. Most of the popular Chinese concept stocks and the Nasdaq China Golden Dragon Index rose 1.76%. Jinshan Cloud rose by more than 19%. And XPeng Automobile and Bilibili rose by more than 6%. The Hang Seng Index ADR rose and closed at 25,650, 38 points, up 241.92 points, or 0.95%, compared with the Hong Kong market. Oil prices first broke through the $100 mark per barrel, and then $110 became a thing of the past. By the midday session in Asia on Monday, the price of WTI crude oil in the United States once approached the high of $120. However, the crazy surge of the crude oil market, which rose up to 31% during the day, disappeared after entering the European and American session on Monday. And even the Asian market fell further on Tuesday, which is one of the most shocking reversals in the history of modern trading. The extreme roller coaster experience of oil prices in just 24 hours highlights how the U.S.-Iran conflict is disrupting the prospects of the global energy-intensive economy. After the Asian and European stock markets were sold off on Monday morning, oil prices returned most of the increase. The settlement price of U.S. WTI crude oil futures on Monday finally closed up only 4.3% to $94.77 per barrel. On the contrary, this boosted the U.S. stock market. The country's companies are more resistant to the global energy shock. And U.S. stocks continue to rebound before the close. After U.S. President Trump said, "I think the war is basically over," the rise accelerated further. This content is provided by Octopus Jigsun.